This topic covers important actions that happen in the workplace. The actions include work, hire, fire, resign, retire, and promote. Work means performing tasks or duties to achieve a goal. It can be paid or unpaid and involves effort and skill. Work is the foundation of productivity at professional and personal levels. Hire means to employ someone for a job. It brings new people into an organization through recruitment. Hiring involves interviews, offers, and starting the new employee in their role. Fire means to end someone's job, usually due to poor performance or breaking rules. It stops the work relationship and requires proper documentation and legal care. Resign means to leave a job by choice. It is a personal decision to stop working. Usually, the employee must give notice as agreed in the contract. Reasons include better opportunities or personal matters. Promote means to give someone a higher position at work. It rewards good performance and skills. Promotion comes with more duties and often better pay. It encourages career growth and motivation. Retire means to stop working completely, usually because of age. It ends a long career, and people often receive pension and benefits. Retirement is a change to a new life stage after work. Transfer means moving an employee to a different role, team, or place inside the same company. It usually does not change pay or rank. Transfers can be temporary or permanent and help balance job needs and skills. The main workplace actions are work, hire, fire, resign, retire, and promote. Each action has a different meaning and role in work life. Understanding these helps in communication and career management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.